Oberlo Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think starting an online store requires inventory and upfront investment, but Oberlo makes it possible to sell products without holding stock. Oberlo is a dropshipping platform that integrates with Shopify, allowing store owners to import products from suppliers directly into their online store. One standout feature is automation. You can import products, set pricing rules, and fulfill orders with just a few clicks. Most people get this wrong. They assume dropshipping is effortless. The surprising truth is, while Oberlo handles logistics, success depends on marketing, product selection, and customer service. You'll still need to build traffic, manage returns, and optimize your store for conversions. Another advantage is product variety. Oberlo connects to thousands of suppliers, giving access to trending items across categories like electronics, fashion, and home goods. It also tracks inventory and updates automatically, reducing the risk of selling out-of-stock products. However, there are considerations. Shipping times from suppliers can be long, especially from overseas, which may affect customer satisfaction. Competition can be fierce, and profit margins are often slim unless you target niche markets effectively. In conclusion, Oberlo is ideal for entrepreneurs looking to start a low-risk e-commerce store. It's best for those willing to invest time in marketing and customer experience rather than expecting instant profits. Subscribe for more honest dropshipping and e-commerce reviews before launching your online store.